Uy, grabe naman yung damage ng
Caitlyn, are you Charlie High?
Oh, she's not Saudi high.
Oh my gosh, yung ginagawa ko ng chamber yung kasama ko dito. This is the moment.
Sino nagawan mo? Si Ate, di ba? Ray.
Yung Reyna.
This,
Aalis agad ako dito at walang magda-defend. So, bakit mo to? Ay, yes naman.
shock dart, please.
Scanning ahead.
Andito.
Alam mo, handa na ako mag-shock
I found my trap.
Yes, and nakapasok na.
Spike planted.
Diba naman? Hello, this is... Kaden, kalma. Kalma. Chill.
What is help me in the...
Down.
Uy!
Healing load. Gun here.
Hala, paano namatay sa shock dart? Eh, dito naman naglatita.
Fido?
Brimstone. Tumayo siya. Uy, may gun, no? May gun, may gun! May
Revealing
gun!
area.
I think,
Reloading.
sino tumama kay ano?
We fight
Jet?
once again.
Yeah.
For how much? Deserve 26.
Oo natin, kalma. Barilin ko pito. Nakakawal ng push. Cancel. Crazy Reyna, eh.
Dinate ko lang siya for you.
Alam mo yan, Ada.
For you.
What if mahulog tayo? May flash ba kayo?
Wala.
One enemy remaining. Spike down A.
Oh my
Gosh, sinulugan ko sa langit yung isa.
Ay, kita niyo itong ghost ko.
For
Napakaganda.
enemies. That should be enough, yes?
One bullet's enough.
Say ooh, say ooh. Hala ba? Ako mamaril pa to. Hindi siya grateful. Hindi siya. Yung. Ay, siya. Wala, tulog. Alam niyo, i-rating ko to. Wala kayong magagawa.
Kirk, huwag mo silang pagplantita eh.
Wala. Yun na mali yun.
Spike planted.
Shark dart na bitawan. What is the meaning?
Quiet.
Backside jet, wala na akong buhay and it's not tested.
Last player standing.
Kirk, backside.
Enemy remaining.
Guardianist, ay Guardianist, Martialist.
Revealing area.
Bakit may Vandal kayo?
If we go easy on them, they will never learn.
Ay, ano ko yung Fado 85? Ay, ano yan? What is...
I think sasamahan ko siya. Oh my gosh, free up? Sign me up.
Wonderful.
Hopes and dreams with overweight.
Doon siya nagpapabili pa ng shorty. Wait.
There they are.
May ting mapaflank ka.
Deploying drone.
Spike planted.
lagging.
Scanning ahead.
What is happening to my Valorant?
Last
Katie,
player
ba't parang
standing.
wala akong narinig na barel?
Explain, explain!
Pero nag-freeze ang aking Valorant.
No, no, no.
Ah,
Valid reason, excuses ang tao.
pareho kami ng skin sa off.
As much as this world hurt me, it's mine.
Naalala ko yung lineup ko, fucking shit. Okay, naalala ka na.
Hold. Walang mag-hold sa mid.
Cute camera, oh.
Can someone get this?
Ay! Hello, sorry. Medyo hindi ko nagtatanapin. Ayan siya. Nagdala yung nag-guard ka daw.
What is happening in this world?
Spike down.
Ay, bro na ko, weird. Harap natin.
One enemy remaining.
Planter. Planter.
Backside!
Hello! The Sentinel of Light. That is mine.
Oh my gosh, Oni-chan.
That was good, but we are not done.
Oh my gosh, una shock
Someone
pa
get
pala
this.
ako.
May Oni dito.
Thank you.
Ay, ayun, nabili na ako. May
I think papatayin natin si Phoenix.
may ulti din si ano. Wait,
Anong nice? What nice to lang nice? Ay, oh my gosh. Paano kung hindi siya nice?
Get out of my way!
Okay ba? Oh my gosh. My life flashed before my eyes. Hello, this... Hello.
Spike down A.
Here.
Going A.
May hila ko, Aidan. Gusto mo?
I think that's na ako.
Boss
Di ba
ko?
na sa akin ang spike? Okay, wala na pala.
Ah, Phoenix! Wala ka na.
Last player
Oh
standing.
my gosh, saan galing
Spike
yun?
planted.
Phantom moment pala 124 kay Brimstone.
Window. Oh well.
Careful now.
Gosh. Okay, tapo ka.
Bakit 5 million yung sensitivity niya?
Raze is on site.
Salita ka lang, te.
Caitlyn?
Behind you.
Ay, wait. Ay,
Ay, I am so dizzy.
Tutan ko yung...
That's right.
Ayan, eh. Hindi ko to this.
Look at me.
Okay,
I know
okay,
I am
talaga.
by your
Okay.
side.
Bakit kasi ganun yung sensitivity niya?
Taas na eh.
Gusto niyo mag... Yun yung parang yung ano, nag-competition kayong Beyblade sa Fracture.
Oh my god. Ito lang ba inaalala ko? Oh my gosh.
Deep breath.
Ha? Putang ina, walang nagsasabi.
Buti na lang rich ako.
Next C.
Here.
Deploying drone.
Here.
Reset?
Oh my god, may off sa mid window. Bella Porch.
Face your fear!
A.
Ay! Nabibitawan ko yung ano, shucks. Ano ba yan?
Spike planted.
May dart ako, wait. 3 seconds.
Watch your eyes.
Raises window.
Guys, wait, hinahanap ko lang yung
Player
ano.
standing.
Pixels.
Hell and Dance Long. Si Brimstone yung side.
Oh my God!
Ay!
Okay,
No
best of
bulldog moment.
19 ah! Hindi ko phantom yung tulog na yun.
My city needs me.
Phantom? Bakit Phantom? I think hindi rin naabot.
Kapatay dun kasi mabilis
Kilala lang natin yung Phantom.
Hold side, don't push him.
Old side kasi Caitlyn, wag po.
Naku.
Teka lang kung kumahanap.
Wala
Naku.
naman ako sa air, girl.
Oo, Caitlyn, ikaw yung sinasabi.
Caitlyn, wala. So, sasabihin mo nagsisinungaling to.
Wait lang, Caitlyn, hinahanap ko lang yung tamang ano, tayuan.
Revealing area.
Here, oh. Eh, diba? Lang, tita.
Dark.
Kirk, eto na yon.
Spike planted.
Ah,
Ay!
Take flight.
alam mo, hanapin. Ay, hindi na sila nagpa-plan sa default. Oy,
Caitlyn, sa
hindi
mukha
na-
mo.
Yes.
Caitlyn?
Last player standing.
Oh no!
Ay, hindi na Any. I think hindi ko this. Ay! Ay!
Where's the shores?
Ay,
You pick a gun and text me
did you enjoy?
Enjoyable ba? Well,
What if double the sheriff? Caitlyn, huwag ka na mag-B. Ako na dito.
ano magsisave? Oh my gosh. Feeling ko dito sila, sana feeling nyo rin.
Wow! Napindot ko yung Q!
Hey,
What is our hopes and dreams?
Dalawa mid, isang A, isang C.
wait, hey. Smoked A. 3 on A.
Let's rotate.
4 on A.
Spike
Wait lang yung...
Caitlyn, 3 on A, 4 on A. Ay, pag kayo nagkisulit ni Jeff.
Wait lang! Oh my God.
Kirk! 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 Wow, wala na tao sa side. Long, Brim, flank. Flank nyo. Spawn natin, Kirk. Okay, patay na. Long.
Brimstone main.
Hala, shopper. It's more fun in...
In diffuse.
It's more fun in Mega Mall!
You failed.
last player standing.
Kala ata ni Phoenix siya, ano niya yun, apoy.
Time to stock back up.
Oh my gosh, bunny hop. Bunny hopping bunny. What is the meaning of this?
Right click ka pa lang ba?
Ha? Walang right click na mangyayari dito. Walang ga...
Caitlyn, hindi mo ba kilala si Kirk?
You don't
Siya nga
know.
dapat ginagaya mo pag tumatalo.
Kaya nga. Dapat super idol nyo. Oh. Ay. I'm the handsome. Nataman ko rin na. Oh, never mind. Kala ko hindi ko na mapapatay so ayaw sinabi ko.
Griffin near window.
Bakit lahat tayo nagpa-flank?
Uy, nasusunog na ako mga kurima ko mga puta.
Spike planted.
Okay, may nakatingin sa flank nila. Go, tara na.
Dark.
One enemy remaining.
Correct.
Alam niyo, pinatay ko yung fade.
Ilan ko ng balik.
One here.
Ay, napatay ko yung... Ay, napatay ko nga pala yung Reyna. Baka paano ko napatay Reyna?
My ultimate.
Hala, taig ka pa, Caitlyn.
Gun here.
Hawaii.
Run when hit by my sniper.
Hawaii.
Kirk zoned.
Hawaii.
Tignan natin kung mabait
My
yung
ultimate is
kasama.
Can someone get this?
Mabait sila, T.
Thank you.
Tingnan mo, tas di mo gagawin sa kanila yan.
Tapos hindi mo sila hinihil. You let them die. Oh my
No.
God. No excuses, I smell excuses.
Hinil ko yan sa Phoenix na.
Wow, yung pwede mag-heal
Wow.
mag-isa.
Hindi mo kami
The
hinihil.
life-changing moments.
Hindi mo kami hinihil. Ano, Teresa ang tawag ko.
Flight.
Uy! Shock Zar.
Hoy, come.
For you.
Deserve.
O yung brim, pwede siya mag-low.
Oh
Don't hit
my
40.
God. Caitlyn, buhayin mo si Reyna, deserve. Oh, pota,
Spike
pota.
planted.
Oh my gosh. Open up the sky. Open up the sky. Curve ka? Buisit?
Ay, Aidan, sarap ba? Enjoy safe.
Oh my gosh. Hindi, Kirk, masarap ba?
Hindi ko deserve ang lahat.
Ikaw ang tatanong natin today.
Ako gusto sobrang poor ko. Ito lang afford.
Ikaw ang dapat.
Magdadaga na lang mga pulpa. Mga burikas.
Hindi to deserve ni Caitlyn.
Hindi ko deserve ginanon ba naman? May
Oh my gosh. Kirk, ba't hindi mo na ino-autolock si Sage?
Revealing area.
Actually, naiisipan ko na siya ulit i-autolock. Alam mo yon, feeling ko lang. Kasi parang masaya siya. Putang ina ko.
Lumilig pa! Tapos na!
It's me and my shorty
Spike
against
planted.
the world.
Oh my gosh. Kirk, mag-meet up.
Last player standing.
126?
Flawless.
Oh my gosh.
Ayaw mamatay?
I think falls to ni Caitlyn.
Sa tingin ko din.
Switching sides.
Agree
Kailan ba
tayo.
naging hindi? Oh my gosh.
Composed.
Lagi naman silang mali, lalo sa dito ng pag-uusapan.
Guys,
Feeling ko
let's
deserve hindi
die.
makakain ng shock darts.
Nakalimutan kong soba ka. Bakit hindi pa yan? Bakit naglalakad pa rin to ha?
So, kukuryentehin ko na yung paa nito. Alam ko na. I know what
Caitlyn, paano ba yan? Every round pwede niya gawin yan. Ikaw isang beses lang.
you did this on yourself. You brought this upon yourself. Sakto, dahil lang heal mo sa sarili mo, girl.
Hala, Caitlyn, bakit ang bigat ng paa?
Uy, pakining shit! Oh my gosh, hindi ko to deserve. I don't deserve it.
So, bakit may namamatay sa mid?
I-heal mo ako sa shock dart. Diba, mabilis naman kasi kausap si Katie. Para mag... Ay, sige,
May
isa
threat sa
lang.
buhay niya eh. Ay, Caitlyn! Caitlyn, sige, di pa rin tatalikod.
There. Enemy spotted B.
Return.
Scanning ahead.
Go see.
Oh my gosh. Reset? Caitlyn? Ay! Ay!
Spike down A.
Um...
30 seconds left.
Ang sa Cubia. Oh my god.
Life-changing.
Last player standing.
Nagulat ako.
Oh my gosh, hindi naman siya narinig.
I think suicide is the key to victory.
There.
Yan. Suicide. Magpakamatay!
Naku, basher ka. Ayun yung nababasa niya.
Say we make mistakes. When they
No, yung pagkawin na pagsabi ko na ito, it's like,
No, malay mo may accent ka. Ano?
hala, nag-shield pa siya, wala ka nang pera.
Mukhang forcing era na natin to.
Ano na ba yun?
I'm getting reload him.
My gosh, oh my gosh. Sino ba tayo para mag-save?
This is a fast to see.
Revealing area. Someone see.
Oy, oh!
Plantita the spike here. Right there. Naku, ang balang naman. Yung Phoenix is against the world. Oh my god. Oh no!
Hala siya, di ba forcing tayo eh. Forcer, enforcers.
See what they have done for our system.
Ako di grateful to oh.
May nakuha ka ng ball, hindi ka pa grateful. Hindi mo sa akin ang ghost mo.
Ungrateful.
Pero bakit ang binigay sa akin na wala ng bala?
Okay, ala siya, anong big sabihin niya? Bakit nag-okay?
Sabi ko lang ang Phoenix against the world, pero hindi niya yata na yung content.
I think challenge yun para sa kanya. Ito na yun.
Rushing through.
Standing ahead.
Ay, oops, maling.
Oh my gosh, thank you for the help.
Reloading.
Reloading.
Akin to, deserve ko.
Reloading. Fall back.
I have draw. Okay, sige, huwag mo ako ipag-draw. Tulog.
Likuran?
Down A.
Kirk, likuran mo. Kirk, tumalikod ka right now.
Win and forward.
Shot done.
Player standing.
1, 2, 3, ano ba yan?
Girl, nag-heal. So, 2-3 lang
Kaya
yan.
nga eh.
Deserve.
Sewer.
Oh no, yung corpse mo.
Behind you, on your marker.
Oh no, oh no.
Rest in peace. Sino nagbigay ng baki?
Lang. Alam mo kasalanan to nung Reyna.
Strangers won't be dead.
Puta pepe, siya di pa siya namatay.
Hikya. Buti na lang bonus lang yun. Ah,
I think let me drown.
bakit nag-iipon na?
What is the meaning of this?
Ang fish? Hello?
Bunch on.
Lurking sage talaga.
Revealing area. Found them.
Hoy, pinatay ko yung C.
Hit on B.
Di mo sure.
Passing through C and B link.
Puta ka na may bomb.
Backside. Kirk, she doesn't know.
Hindi ako yung street na.
Nandoon sa ano.
Pot.
Kating garage.
In garage.
Reyna.
Backside.
Oh my god, Phoenix. Yeah. Phoenix. Caitlyn Bell may ulti yung ring. Oh, this yun.
Remaining. Last
Sa labas ng
player
Garage.
standing.
Hindi. Nandoon sa loob. Nag-flop yung Phoenix. Caitlyn, if you clutch this.
There we go. Kiss from Reyna.
Hi!
That's right.
Hi! Oh my gosh, nakaupo yung Reyna dito. Hindi mo kasi
Hindi ko nga nakita eh. Oh my gosh.
tingnan mo chinap niya, oh. Pati siya gulo. Kasi na-save yun. Na-delete yung pangalan na to, Jet.
Hala.
Bakit tayo yung bottom 3?
The big three. Eh, oh my god.
Bakit tayo yung may sariling squad? Of flopness.
Kunin nyo man lang kay Reyna yung second front niya. Naman. Ah, bobo! Nabibitawan talaga.
Going drone.
Uy, ang
Going garage. Great flanking.
hala.
Likod nyo.
No more.
Wisit!
Jet flanking from A.
Last player
Ay,
standing.
kitiya ka na naman sa
Spike
back-turned.
down C.
No, but careful, one more flank.
I have the spike.
Jet yung 1 HP.
That's flanking.
Pero hindi ata sa Phantom. Okay, deserve.
Reload.
Wow!
Oh my gosh, freestyle!
O, diba?
Oh my gosh, may tao sa mukha mo. Paano kung in-ultimate ka ni Brimstone?
Don't.
You can get over and run A.
Hello? Tatakbo ka
I think
na
may
ako,
curse pag nakatalikod.
girl.
May weakness ako doon.
Garage.
Kirk? Ay!
Oh! Nawantak lang ako, dear. Ano ba yan? Wala. This so poor.
Just batteries.
Bastosan.
Save mo naman. Girl, kapag nag-save tayo dito, tapos bumili tayo ng round 11 na natin pas ng round 12.
Girl, konti na lang magkakamansion na ako.
What is the meaning of all of
Oh, no, full
this?
save, full save. Phoenix full
Ano?
save too.
May cash ako.
Get out of my way!
Oh, meron pa rin ako.
Adi wow, inismoke ako.
Towards.
Enemy
Oh,
spotted.
hindi ako.
Let's rotate.
Where is this? Caitlyn, oh my...
Two sewers.
149 yung...
Sige!
140. Oh my god. Caitlyn, don't you dare. You fucking bitch.
Bayan.
Ano nasunog?
Ay, tulungan mo yun!
Bitch, can you rest?
Bless mo yung Reyna.
Your duty
Thanks.
is not over!
Back where I belong.
Crazy titty.
Visit. Uy, sa corner na to!
Last player standing. One enemy remaining.
Unknown.
Ano ko yun?
Mike,
We're not
Mike,
unknown,
Mike.
careful.
May narinig ka pa?
Taas, taas.
Okay, akala ko may narinig ako sa long.
Bell.
Ball mo yan! Uy, bumaba! Caitlyn, bumaba!
Caitlyn Bell. Oh my
Tap mo, tapos
god.
tumakbo ka sa A.
30 seconds left.
Light planted.
Pag na-clutch mo, may kiss ka
Oh
kayo.
my gosh, ako na naman sa likod mo!
Clutch for yes. Ay, what if mag-no crosser ako?
Hoy, ano mga ping yan?
Don't peek
Ah,
yet.
yung blue yung sundan mo.
Uy, ano?
Not yet, let's fake.
Oh my gosh, not Shaoli, hi.
You did
Not very Shaoli, hi.
not aggressive. You did not.
Even with numbers, anything can still happen.
I think nawalan na ako ng aim today.
Buti pa yung
Kasalanan to
crosser.
ni Caitlyn.
Pag nakita nyo crosser.
Girl, ang dami mong falls, na-inspire ako.
Hala! Okay, Aidan, huwag ka gumalaw. Aidan, don't you dare.
Nagpo-post ba ako?
Oo, posing for... Ayun, nasa chat. Sasend ko sa ano. Doon sa...
Still inside.
Gusto pala niya ng Prime eh.
Careful now.
Hindi, grabe sinunod mo yung phone.
Reloading.
uy. Hala.
Revealing area.
Face your fear!
Oh no, I'm dead!
Pag nakita niyo crosshair ko, mapapasana all kayo.
I think iba na lang pala sa spectate ko.
Nice trade, by the way.
Last
Okay, don't check
player
my 7%
standing.
I
down.
Ay! Bakit Discord?
Hopes and Dreams featuring Reyna. Reloading! Oh my goodness, psycho father. Ay, dito yan. Oh, alam ko yung wall.
Grabe, imbis na 4 lang mata ko, naging 6.
Ayaw mo yun, the more the
Ano
ready.
ko?
I have the spike.
Ay!
Ay!
Plenty.
Sorry.
Ay, tayo.
Guys, this is not Chowli High.
Hala, kayo lang yung pulog yung
Chowli
kailangan.
High. I do poor? I don't know her.
My ultimate's ready.
Ay, wait, ginagamit ko na yung magical cross.
Be quiet.
Phoenix, you can ult, I'll watch your marker.
Oh my gosh, strategy.
Scanning ahead.
Minsan late tumilip tong jet. Okay, may blind. And this...
Hala, Vision.
Napakawala na, walang kwenta natin.
Hoy, may kwenta ako. Nag-joke.
Susugod ako. Saan ba tong fade?
Well, ayan, alam mo na.
Reset? Caitlyn, tugurin... Ay!
Careful now.
Ay! Kirk, ilan nagsuspect? Sa mukha nyo?
Paper time.
Last player
Paper
standing.
time, paper time, paper time.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oops, wala ako dun. Wala ako sa mga flop.
Ay, hindi ako matras.
Oh.
Class.
Run.
Hala.
Oh my goodness, grabe.
Caitlyn, look at me in the eyes.
Don't start resting. Still work to do. Anyway,
Grabe talaga yung malas mo. Ikaw lang talaga yung nawawallbang.
Katie, ikaw yata yung
Sa
nagpapakalas.
garage, paano yung nangyayari? Unique, rare experience.
Basta alam ko malaki yung buka neto.
Diba, sabi ko sa'yo, primer yan.
reload him.
Ay,
Yung makeup.
the hunter. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh! Hoy! Hoy!
Reload him.
Boy,
There.
Turn on first.
Kate!
Bastos.
Mia!
Bumalik.
Mia!
Bumalik siya, na-scam siya, bigla siya bumabalik po ako doon.
Bumalik!
Hindi ba kabigo ko?
Kate, i-revive mo to.
Yung don't you dare. Yung man! Oh my god.
I think lalayas tayo dito.
Right here.
Saan yung in-smoke? In-smoke ata yung window. Diba? Ay,
Revealing area.
nahil mo na ba sarili mo, Caitlyn?
No, obvious na clear nyo na
So
yan.
ano yung nagbago? Bakit pula pa rin ang buhay mo?
Life-changing heal sa sarili.
I think tara na, let's go!
30 seconds left.
Pa-shotgun sa likod. Funny. Stop.
Caitlyn! Caitlyn!
Last player
Ay, Kirk, they don't
Spike
know.
down. C.
Yes!